Hello everyone, this is Krishnan Sriraman here, and this is my submission for this hackathon, Smart Interview Companion. It's an AI-powered mock interview platform that mimics real-life technical interviews using voice and conversation. So whether you're a student or a job seeker, this tool helps you to sharpen your skills and gain confidence for attending any real-time interviews that you are about to face. Now the inspiration for this was actually the lack of feedback that the candidates often have and the anxiety that they actually face while going for an interview. So I wanted that to be avoided and wanted to build a tool that feels like a real interview and a real interviewer sitting in front of you and listening and asking questions and giving instant feedback. So instead of random questions, it should be context-based questions and it should happen instantly. That was my inspiration to actually go ahead and build this tool. So what this does is it simulates a structural, technical or HR based interview using generative AI. It dynamically generates context aware questions and let candidates respond to the same via text or voice, and instantly gives real-time feedback for their performance of the question, the tone and clarity that they have. And last but not least, it compares your answers with the current industry insights also. Now let's dive into the application. So this is the dashboard. I've logged in as a demo user. You can see the recent interviews that the user has attended, the overall metrics of the interviews that he has attended. You can start a new interview from start now, these are the upcoming features that I'm planning for the app. So if I start now, or actually go to the interview section, you can configure your interview, select a domain, select an experience level, select an interview type, session length, and you can actually start the interview. This is completely built with Bolt. Not even a single code has been written for the UI at all. So when you click start an interview, it will make sure to go through the prompting and get you a proper interview question. And as soon as the question is loaded, it will start reciting you the question as an interviewer.
Can you walk me through how you would design a basic URL shortening service like bit.ly?
You can listen to the entire question and start responding to that. So we have the audio controls here. You can stop or resume it anytime you want. It will be cached so that it will happen quickly. Then you can start answering your question. Yeah, I like to answer this question like this, and submit your answer. So it will start analyzing your response, and after analyzing your response, it will give you the proper feedback as well as a proper follow-up question that will follow it. So you can go through all these questions and finish it off. So I'll be finishing it off right now with end interview. And as soon as you end your interview, you can actually look into the transcript, which will give you in detail performance analytics and the question and answers. So what was the question, what was the answer given, and the performance analytics for the overall interview. So since I have not answered any questions, I have not proceeded properly, so it doesn't give it. But I think if you complete the interview, it will give you the complete details. You also have the interview section, which will give you the detailed interviews, and you will be able to search through all keywords that is used in the interview. A good settings section, which will enable you to change the password, the profile information, and especially the voice settings. So you can select a male voice or a female voice who's actually going to recite, and save the voice settings. Next time you attend the interview, you will be able to hear that specific voice as an interviewer. I hope you liked what is being built right now. So next, we are actually integrating a full voice-to-voice conversation using ElevenLabs streaming as WebSockets, so that it will be much more quicker. So right now for the hackathon, we have only done it. I have only done it as HTTP calls. So yeah, if you are preparing for any interviews and want to feel truly ready, feel free to use Smart Interview Companion. It's here to help you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed trying this because I enjoyed building it very much.